Find the value of y when p is 3 and x is 2 and t is just p is 3, so this is 3, right? This is 3. X is 2, so 2 is square. T is minus 13. Just calculate, you will get minus 1. That's very simple. This. Now rearrange the formula. That's again very simple, guys. Y equals px square plus t. So now shift t to that side, y minus t. Now divide by p here. Okay, p and p cancel. X square is y minus t. Now x is plus minus root. Okay, so we can write plus minus root y minus t over p. Next question, factorize that. Yeah, this is again very good question. How to factorize? We have to multiply a and c first. 15 times minus 8, which is, okay, 15 times minus, if you actually, I'm trying to break in two numbers, okay, that will be actually minus 120. Okay, 15 times minus 8 minus 120. So we have to break minus 120 in such two numbers so that if you multiply, then you should get minus 120, but if you add, then you should get minus 2. So that can be minus 12 and plus 10, right? So 15x squared minus 2x will be written as minus 12x and 10x and minus 8. Now we can take common. So 3x you can take common. Then here you will get x, here you will get 4. So 5x, sorry, 5x squared. If you take 3x common, then here you will get 5x and then minus 4. And 10x minus 8, you can take 2 common. Then again you will get 5x minus 4. Now again you can take these two brackets common, 5x minus 4. Then here you will get 3x plus 2, right? So this can be the factor. You can write it here. Now solve the equation. So already we found the factor of this, which is this. Now this equals 0, so this bracket is 0 and or this bracket is 0. So here 5x equals 4, x equals 4 over 5, and here 3x equals minus 2, x equals minus 2 by 3. So guys, 4 over 5 and minus 2 by 3. Okay, now factorize completely. X cube minus 16xy squared. Can we take x common, guys? Then x squared minus 16y squared you will get. Now x squared and 16y squared, you can write 4y squared. Now we know that a square minus b square, which is a minus b times a plus b, right? We know. So this is x minus 4y. Just use that. X minus 4y, x plus 4y. This is the answer. Now let's move to the next question. Simplify 2x minus 1 minus 4ax plus 2a over 2x squared minus x. So now you can check. This is 2x minus a, which is here. Now I took minus 2a common, which you can see. If you take minus 2a common, then out of minus 4x, minus 2 is here. So 2x will be here. And 2a, you have taken minus 2a common, so minus 1 should be there. Now you can take common these two brackets. So 2x minus 1 here, and the coefficient 1 is left. So 1 minus 2a will be here. And in denominator, you know, you can take x common. So if you take x common, then x, and then 2x minus 1, which is here. Now 2x minus 1 can cancel. 1 minus 2a over x